Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gentle Media. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream to TikTok, alright, using vMix. How you can generate your TikTok stream key. So I've been getting a lot of messages. People have been asking me, including my WhatsApp group, how do I stream to TikTok? How do I get my TikTok stream key? Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do that. And this is actually the best way to stream to TikTok. So I tried using the TikTok studio to stream, but I wasn't getting enough view. Yes, so I found out this best way to stream to TikTok. So stay with me and let's dive straight into the tutorial. If this is your first time, kindly hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. All right, so don't forget to drop your comment if you have any questions. All right, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Don't forget, my name is Victor Ejeh. This is Gentle Media. All right, so let me open my vMix right here. So this is my vMix. All right, so the first thing we are going to do, we are going to generate the TikTok stream key using Streamlab. All right, so the Streamlab will help us to get the logins to our TikTok. So we'll use the vMix to stream it. All right, so head over to your browser and let's download the Streamlab. You can just type download Streamlab for PC. All right. Okay, so you click this first link right here. So you download it, Windows desktop, this one right here. Click it and the download will start automatically. All right, so let's wait for it. Let's wait for the download to be complete. All right. So this is the setup. Ensure you like and share this video with your friends and your loved ones. All right, subscribe. All right, and turn on that notification bell so that it will notify you whenever I upload new tutorial. Okay, so let's give it some time. All right, so the download is complete. You can actually launch it here, or you can go to your download folder and launch it. All right, so let me just click it here. Let's wait for it. All right, so you select yes and then agree to the terms and conditions and then install. So let's give it some time to install. All right, so the installation is complete. Let's go ahead and launch it. Just click finish and the Streamlab will launch automatically. All right, so just give it some time. Let's minimize this. All right, so this is a software right here. So let's just wait for it to load. All right, so the first thing you get, welcome to Streamlab. How do you plan to use a Streamlab desktop? We are using it for live streaming. All right, so select this live streaming. All right, you can actually use it to record. All right, so select the live streaming and then hit continue. Okay, now we are going to log in. All right, if you already have an account, you can log in. If you don't have an account, you can create a Streamlab ID. So let's click create a Streamlab ID. So we will sign in our TikTok. All right, so I already have an account with them, so I'm going to click login. All right, so I'm going to log in. So let's click login with TikTok. This one right here, login with TikTok. Select it. So let's just wait for it. All right, so we are going to use QR code. This one is pretty much easier compared to using Gmail and other stuff. All right, so click this, use QR code, and then head over to your TikTok on your phone. Let me open my TikTok right here, my phone. So I will scan the QR code. All right, so let me open my TikTok. This is my TikTok. Let me go to my profile. All right, so you click this three line at the top right corner right here. Click it. Okay, and then your QR code. You can see your QR code. Click it, and then you see the scanner up there at the top right corner there. All right, so you click it, and then you just scan it. Okay, confirm login on TikTok for desktop. All right, so you select login. All right, so you can see QR code scanned. You can see it right there. So Streamlab wants to access your TikTok account. Ensure you grant them all this access and then click continue. All right, so let's just wait for it. Okay, now is bringing me to this point. We are just installing the Streamlab, so we just click start afresh, start fresh. All right, this is right here. You can actually import your OBS settings to Streamlab. They work hand in hand. All right, so let's just click start fresh. Okay, right now let's hit continue. Let's keep this. You can see it right here. Just keep it. Skip this. Skip it. All right, so we are back to our Streamlab. So all you need to just go ahead and close this Streamlab and then open it back. All right, just to refresh it, and then you will see the TikTok logged in right here. You can see this is my name. All right, you can actually follow me on TikTok, Gentle Media on TikTok. This one is my other TikTok account. All right. Okay, now we've achieved one process. All right, so let's proceed with the other process, how to get the stream key. All right, so you are going to download this plugin, this TikTok Streamlab key generator. All right, so I'll be dropping a link in the description of this video. All right, so click the link. All right, so once you're on this page, scroll down, you will see requirements. All right, you see this requirement, Streamlab TikTok live access. You can request access here. All right, so click this here and then let's wait for it. Okay, as you can see, access approved. We've already logged in our TikTok inside the Streamlab. All right, so let's just go back. Okay, now once you've clicked the link, you will download this TikTok stream key generator. All right, so let me go to my desktop. This is it right here. So once you download, ensure you extract it, open the folder. All right, so you're going to scroll down till you see Streamlab TikTok stream key generator. All right, so let's double click on it. Double click on this one right here, and this page will open. Ensure you like and share this video. All right, okay, now you can see this page has opened. This is where we can actually generate our TikTok stream key. All right, so once you are here, just click load from PC. All right, click load from PC and it will search and detect that yes, we've logged in our TikTok inside this PC. All right, so you can see my username right here, Victor Ejeh 2. Status can see is approved, which means I can go live on TikTok. All right, can go live. True. If you see false right here, which means you didn't pass through the process properly. All right, if you see false right here, which means you have to do it again. Okay, so you can go live. True. All right, so how do you get your TikTok stream key? You can see the URL box is empty. The stream key is empty. Once you click this go live right here, once I click it, you can see stream started successfully. Doesn't mean we are live yet. We are not live yet. Yes, he's just trying to tell you that you are ready to stream, right? So hit OK, and then you can see this is your URL. Can copy this URL, head over to your vMix. All right, so this is my vMix right here. I would have loved to stream so that you will see it, but this is actually a new PC. All right, I installed a new window on this PC, so the PC is actually empty. I would have used my PC, but I already logged in the TikTok on my PC, but I just want to do it afresh so that you guys will understand. That's why I'm using this PC. But I don't have any video at this point. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Okay, let's just, but as you can see, we have our URL and our stream key. I believe you already know how to paste it inside vMix. All right, so let's copy the URL, click OK, head over to your vMix, come to this stream setting right here, click on the stream setting, and the destination, ensure you click the drop down arrow and select the first option, which is your custom RTMP server. So you can have here, you paste your URL and your stream key. All right, so the URL we copied, you are going to paste it inside the URL box. All right, so head over to the page back and then copy your stream key. All right, copy your stream key and head over to your vMix and then paste the stream key. All right, so once you are through, you can now hit save and close. All right, so once you've added your camera and you've added everything, once you click this start stream, this stream right here, so once you click this stream right here, you will be live automatically on TikTok. All right, remember we already started the streaming here on the TikTok key generator. You already click go live here. All right, so remaining the vMix. All right, so once you click start stream, once you click start stream on vMix, you will be live on TikTok automatically. All right, so once you are live, you don't have to close this page. All right, you don't have to close this. All you need to do is just to minimize it, and then once you are through, you want to end the live, just click it and you can end your live stream. All right, so each time you want to go live, all you need to do, you don't have to open your Streamlab. Let me just close this. You don't need to open the Streamlab. All you need to do is just to come to this Streamlab key generator that you downloaded. Yes, this Streamlab TikTok key generator. This one you downloaded from the Google Drive. All you need to do is just to come and open it, double click on it, and then you will see this Streamlab TikTok stream key generator. All you need is just to open it. Let me just close this one right here. Take for instance, I want to go live again. I will just double click on it. So once I double click on it, you can see it. So just click go live. Once you click go live, so once you click go live, you can see it right here. Stream started successfully. You can see my stream key and my URL. It changes all the time. So all you need to do is just to come to this place and generate the stream key. All right, so the last step, what is your stream title? What's your stream title? What are you streaming about? You just give it a title here. All right, so your stream title, you can just, if it's Sunday service, you can just type it Sunday service. All right, so the stream category, you can just type anything you want. All right, so once you are through, once you've clicked go live, you've copied your stream key and you've pasted it inside of vMix, go ahead and start your streaming inside the vMix. All right, so once you are through with the streaming, you can end your streaming here. You come to this page and then you see end live. All right, so you click the end live and the streaming will end. All right, so that's how to stream to TikTok. Try this and thank me later. All right, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and your loved ones. Drop your comments, drop your opinion in the comment section. All right, which tutorial should I drop next? Let me know at the comment section. All right, so if you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link is in the description of this video. And if you want to message me directly, the link is also in the description of this video. All right, so don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload new tutorial. So see you in my next video. Don't forget, my name is Victor Ejeh. This is Zenith Media.